understand this logic now. So let's say, for example, if someone just gives us this simple value that cos theta, let's say cos theta is given to us as let's say 2 by 5. Someone just lists cos theta as 2 by 5. Even the picture of the triangle isn't given to us, but we have to keep this thing in mind that we are talking about a right angle triangle. So let's say cos theta is given to us and we are told to find sin theta and tan theta. We have to find these two values. Cos theta is given to us. So now again it is a very simple, very interesting play. Just a moment ago we solved question where at least the triangle was given to us, the sides were given to us. Now in this question we have moved one step ahead, that instead of giving us the triangle, they have now contracted the question even one more step. They have just given the value of cos theta and we have been told to find sin theta and tan theta. So the interesting part is this, that just create this picture in your mind or on your notebook. So this angle in this question, cos theta is given to us as 2 by 5. So in the most basic sense, if this is 2 by 5, so it means that base is 2 and hypotenuse is 5. In the most basic sense, base is 2 or hypotenuse is 5. Or to write it more interestingly, you can write the base as 2x and the hypotenuse as 5x, but it really doesn't matter. You can easily just list this as 2 and this is 5. Cos theta means what? Base upon hypotenuse. So let the base be 2, then hypotenuse would be 5. So now we can easily find the third side like we were doing in the question which we have just completed. Now this is 2, this is 5. So this would be what? 5 square minus 2 square using Pythagoras theorem. So this would be what? 25 minus 4, which is 25. Square root of 5 square is 25 minus 4, which is 21. So this would be square root of 21. So the moment we calculate the height, we know that we have broken this. We have just solved everything in this question now. So now sin theta is what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is square root of 21 divided by 5. And tan theta is perpendicular upon base, which is square root of 21 divided by 2. This would be my final answer. So whenever any trigonometric ratio is given to us, what we'll do, we'll just create this triangle and we'll find the side that is missing. And after that we can easily find any other trigonometric ratio. So this is the sense. So now this is written over here. Just apply the same sense in solving this question. Let's say if sin theta is given to you as let's say 3 by 5. Let's say take sin theta as 3 by 5. And now we have to find tan theta and cos theta. Now sin theta is given to us as 3 by 5 and we are told to find tan theta and cos theta. So this is the sense. So what we will do, we'll use the same logic. We'll create a triangle and in this triangle this angle is theta and we know that sin theta means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So it means this is 3, this is 5. So we can easily find this side, which is perpendicular hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square, which is 25 minus 9. So 25 minus 9 gives me 16, square root of 16 is 4. So this side would be 4. So this is 3, this is 5, this is 4. The moment we found the missing side using this understanding, so all these trigonometric ratios just fall into our plate. We are able to solve this thing very easily now. So tan theta would be perpendicular upon base, which in this case would be 3 upon 4, and cos theta would be base upon hypotenuse, which is 4 upon 5. So the purpose of making you and discussing with you all these questions is to just repeat the sin thetas, the cos thetas, the tan thetas for so many times that it gets stuck in our mind. We know that sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So we should be just knowing this thing every moment. It should be fitted in our subconscious mind. So now just look at this logic and apply this sense into the next question by yourself. So this was the term. So in this question, tan theta was given to us as 3 by 4 and we had to find sine theta and cos theta. So now we know that this is the simple operation. If this angle is theta and tan theta stands for perpendicular upon base. So just fill this side as 3, this is 4, this is perpendicular 3 and this is base 4. So we can easily find using Pythagoras theorem this side and it would come out to be 5. Simply 3 square plus 4 square, which is 9 plus 16, that is 25, and square root of 25 is 5. So now sine theta is simple, which is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which in this case is 3 upon 5, and cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, that is 4 upon 5. This is the final answer. So this was again a very simple question, but the sense is this, that we start getting comfortable with these terms. So that's the first step. In today's class, we just are going to get comfortable with these new names. That's the only agenda. So now solve the next question. So now in this question, cos theta was given to us as 3 by 4 and we were told to find sine theta and tan theta. So we know that cos theta means base upon hypotenuse. So this is 3 and this is 4. So we can easily find the remaining side, the side which is not given, using Pythagoras theorem, which is 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. So this would be square root of 7. So now we can easily find sine theta, which is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is root 7 by 4, as well as tan theta, which would be perpendicular upon base, that is root 7 by 3. This would be my final answer. So we just have to just get this logic in our mind very with 100% clarity that what we are doing. We should be just getting comfortable with this topic. Sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, these terms should be there in our mind. So this is the first step in today's class. Now solve the same kind of question, which is very easy, but we are just practicing today. Solve this one. So now sine theta was given to us as 1 by 2. So the question was to find cos theta and tan theta. So now we know this sense, that in a right angle triangle, this angle is theta. Sine theta is 1 by 2 means perpendicular upon hypotenuse is 1 by 2. So for the ease of calculation, I'll just take this perpendicular as 1 and hypotenuse as 2. So we can easily find this one, which would be 2 square minus 1 square. So it would be 2 square, which is 4, minus 1, which is 3. So this would be square root of 3. So now cos theta is what? Cos theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is root 3 by 2, and tan theta would be perpendicular upon base, which is 1 by root 3. This would be my complete final answer. So in today's class, the first step is this, that we know what's the meaning of sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. This was the first step. And we are able to find the other trigonometric ratios when one of them is given. So this was the basic only agenda of today's class. What we are going to do with this topic, how we are going to use it into questions, what's the practical implication of these questions. This is a complete topic and we are going to solve so many questions and so many categories. You don't need to worry about this. But the first important milestone of today's class is this, that these basic trigonometric ratios should be fitted in our mind. So just revise this thing which we have done in today's class, and in the next class we'll move 1, 2, 3 steps further from here.